What's up? What's up? Welcome to Trail Crawler Adventures. I'm Chris.
And I'm Bray.
You gotta speak up, buddy.
And I'm Bray.
All right. So, we are headed to Mississippi. Gonna see the grandparents and an uncle that lives in Alaska. He's down here, so we're gonna go visit with him. We have Sadie the Wonder Dog in here. We're taking her to the kennel. We also have Mrs. Trail Crawler.
Hello.
We also have Tater Baby.
Tater.
Tater's not really talking. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, so this is going to be our adventure for today. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Well, guys, we had to stop at a rest area. Mrs. Trail Crawler over here had to take a leak. So did Tater Bug. And so did Bray.
Stop. And so did he.
Yeah, and I did too. So your door's not shut. So we had to stop at the rest area, but we are getting back on the road of travel. The lanes of travel. Right?
Right.
Everybody got their seatbelts on?
Yes.
Everybody but you. They come behind me, I can't see.
Oh, I got a new book.
So here we go.
I have a new book.
So we are traveling. Travel. That's what we're doing today. I had the GoPro mounted. I actually had the GoPro mounted off of my grab handle, my rough country grab handle. I had the GoPro mounted on it, hanging down, using a bicycle handlebar mount. And also, I did buy the Hero 8 protective housing from GoPro. I bought that, which was a good thing too, because what was the first thing I did after I put it on my GoPro today?
Dropped it.
Yes, I dropped it. Dropped it right out of my hands, hit the ground, on the concrete. Good thing it was in that protective housing, huh?
Yeah. You just poured out your whole drink.
Catastrophe in the Jeep. Tater just dropped her whole Dr. Pepper in the back of the Jeep. It's everywhere. We're gonna have to pull the carpet out and rhino line the back of the Jeep now. That's what's going on. We just stopped and got lunch. Here's a question for Jeep. Jeep, why do you not give an option to have rubber floors in these Jeeps? I mean, it's a utilitarian vehicle, and I understand not everybody wants to have rubber floors, but not everybody likes to have carpet.
Yeah, I know.
You get stuff in there, you get mud and stuff in there.
Yeah, I know.
Please, Jeep, come out with an option so people can choose whether or not they want carpet or like a vinyl rubberized floor.
Me too.
It'd be so much easier.
Yeah.
What'd you do? What'd you do?
Recorded in Time Warp.
That's right. Hey, Nana.
Hey there.
Hey, when you see Nana, that's cotton. That's come out of cotton field over Utica.
Hey guys.
There's snakes and all kinds of stuff out here. Huh? Wave to the camera. Yes.
Sadie will attack you for some peanut butter.
Yes.
She can hear
She's back here hiding.
Trying to get too close to the eye.
Oh, she really likes you, Brady.
You just love
Her
me
name's
now?
Sizzler.
Sizzler?
What's up, Sizzler?
I think she's hungry.
She's
You
old.
just love
She
me
can
right
barely
She's
find
old.
Yeah, but she can barely find anything to eat around here. She's been.
Do you just love me right now?
The grass is way too tiny for her to get.
I'm scared to
Okay,
just
then
like...
count.